Hi Anna, Assalamu-Alikum. Welcome back to our channel. So here my mom was just washing some dishes, and then we will jump right into our Edmonton house tour. Okay, so when you come in, we have the staircase that goes up, and that's the bonus room. And then we have our family room. Our sofas are from Ashley Furniture, even the tables. The rug is from Sofaland, I believe, or Bed Bath & Beyond. Like, we have two side tables. One is in this room, and then one is in another room. So here we have some knickknacks. Just on top of the table, we have our clock and our calendar. We got these two from Bed Bath & Beyond. Then we have our TV, and then we have our fireplace. So our fireplace is so pretty. And then on this wall, we have some sayings. So our theme is more of like a farmhouse theme. And then this bowl here on this table is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And these coasters are from South Africa. The one underneath is also, it's all beaded. Sorry, I think these two are from HomeSense. So that, the tray and also the mat is from HomeSense. So I'll just give you an overview of this room. Here we have two big windows. Super nice. And yep, it's very snowy outside. So much snow. And that's just our backyard. Okay, so this is our formal dining table. This set is also from Ashley Furniture, and we love our table. It's so nice and it's so different. So we have this runner across the table. We also have our coasters and our tissue paper box. Oh, we also have our iRobot down here. So the table comes with two chairs. And it also comes with two armchairs. It also comes with a bench, which is a 3-seater. So in total, it's a 3, 4, 5, like a 7-seater table. Right behind our formal dining room, it's our patio door. It goes out to the backyard. Our back wall is all food magnets. Got these bars from IKEA. So moving to the kitchen, we have this kitchen conversion chart. Then we have our fridge. This is what the fridge looks like. So we have some lettuce, chicken, some leftovers. This has and then we have lemon, some onions, tomatoes, and an egg. Then moving down, we have eggs in here. We have some fruits. So some strawberries, grapes, red grapes, these apples, they're so good. And then we have some green onions. Like this. The doors, on this side I have some butter, jam, and on the bottom we have yogurt and our half and half for a tea. On this side we have our ice maker, and we have some medications here and our mayonnaise. So this is what the fridge looks like. Then moving down, we have 2 drawers on the fridge. So this drawer has a container with tomatoes. We have some radish, and we have some coriander and green chili. This drawer has some lemons and apples. And then finally we have our freezer. In our freezer, so we have a top drawer, has chicken like with bone. And then we have our drumsticks. And the bottom drawer has our fish. Then we have some frozen fruit for smoothies. Then I got this one. I haven't even tried it yet. It's this veggie patty that's supposed to like resemble or taste just like the meat patty. But yeah, we'll try it and let you know. Okay, then we have some this is like the chutney balls, like frozen chutney balls. So we have some frozen peas. Then we got some frozen potatoes, French fries. So right on top of the fridge we have this cabinet. Oh, I can't really reach it. I don't think there's anything in there. We have our tea containers and this bottle that my sister got. Okay, so just in between the fridge and the oven we have this cabinet here, and this one holds all our kitchen machinery like blender and mixers. We have our microwave, and this microwave is from KitchenAid. Most of our is from KitchenAid, and this is what the inside of the microwave looks like. Then we have our oven. Okay, and this is what the oven looks like. It's like blue from the inside. It's nice. Microwave, we have this drawer, and then it has all our baking goods. It's kind of messy. So right beside our microwave is our pantry door, which I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. So this leads to our pantry. But before we go there, I'm gonna show you this side. We have this side of the kitchen. Starting from the bottom, we have cabinets, and then we have drawers on top. We have our paper towel. Then we have this fruit basket here, Pepsi, our spice jars. This is our spoon rest or spoon holder, and we're making like chickpeas today. So this is what our stove area looks like. And our backsplash, which I love. Oh, and then we have our hood on top of the stove. And I like how this one is glass. It's so much easier to clean. And our backsplash goes all the way up, and like so. Then we have our knife sets and our KitchenAid mixer and a phone. And then on top we have cabinets again, so we have 3 on either end. So we have these outlets on either end of the island to charge our phone. So and this is my sister's phone, is charging right now. And then we also have like these very narrow cabinets, and we put like our, you know, Ziploc bags, parchment paper, and stuff like that. On this side of the island, we have a drawer. This is a junk drawer, so I'm not gonna open it. That's my dad. Then this one is the garbage can. Then we have the sink area. Yeah, we have some dishes in the sink, but this is what the sink looks like. Honestly, do not ever get black because it gets like super dirty and it's so hard to clean. We have our dish soap tray, our sink cabinet, and then we have our dishwasher. And this is what our pantry looks like. I'm just going to shut the door behind me. So our top shelf. This is our spices, some flowers, lentils. Then underneath we have some produce. So we have potatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, some of our spices, some box spices, some of our electronics, and then we have our flour, rice, rusk, chane, chickpeas, some electronics again, and then our condiments. So last shelf we have some of our extra goodies. So yeah, if you guys want to see the detail look into what we have in our pantry, make sure to check out the link below for our pantry tour. And then right after our pantry we have our mudroom, and it's extremely messy. So this is what the before looks like. This room is like a catch-all place. Yeah, so that door leads to our garage, and this is what the, oh my gosh, there's like shoes everywhere. Anyways, this is what the closet looks like. It's a whole mess too in here. And we're gonna get to cleaning in a little bit. Do you see this? It's too much. And let's close this. We have our garbage bag in here. It's supposed to go in the garage, but this is what it looks like. And that door leads to the pantry and then the kitchen. So yeah, this is what the before looks like. We hope you guys are having a great Ramadan. Please leave in the comments below how is it going for you guys, and Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Allah Hafiz. Bye.